If you're like most people, you probably have a hard time reaching things that are high up. Whether it's getting a pot down from a top shelf or trying to change a light bulb, a step stool can be a big help. But with so many different types and styles of step stools on the market, how do you know which one is right for you? Here's a look at some of the best step stools to help make your life a little bit easier. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Handy Laundry Folding Step Stool Faux Adults. 300 lb capacity with grip. Textured surface makes the folding step stool safe for everyone, including kids. The anti-skid foot pads feature makes it safety certified and passes ANSI 3 requirements. The lightweight, but sturdy folding step stool is easy to use because it opens with one flip of the hand. The maximum standing height is 9, and it easily folds away for convenient storage. It's a great step up for the kitchen, bathroom, closets, RVs, and all those hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. ACStep Folding Step Stool for Tall Kids. Manufactured to highest standards, made of tough and durable heavy-duty plastic for long-lasting durability. This folding step stool has been approved by N 14183 certificate. Ergonomic carrying handle is designed for easy folding and carrying. Just lift the handle, it will fold easily and quickly in a split second with only one hand. Number 3. DMI Step Stool for Adults and Children. DMI Step Stool with handle and non-skid rubber platform, lightweight and sturdy stool for seniors and adults. This one provides easy reach for objects out of grasp with the support of a convenient handrail for safety and stability. Step stool standing aid platform is 9.5 inches from the floor. It features a non-slip textured matting and reinforced rubber tips to enhance stability and provide additional safety. It is made of heavy-duty steel construction with a chrome-plated steel frame and wider legs that holds up to 300 pounds. Number 4. Baby Bjorn Step Stool for Toddler. Baby Bjorn Step Stool makes it easy for your child to reach the toilet or bathroom sink on their own. The step stool has a non-slip rubber surface that provides a good grip, even if your child has wet and fidgety feet. The step stool's smart design and premium material give it a long lifespan, with many areas of use for both children and adults. The step stool is available in many fantastic colors that coordinate with your other products. Number 5. Rubbermaid RMS2 Step Stool. The Rubbermaid RMS2 step stool is a safe and convenient step stool that is perfect for small do-it-yourself jobs. The two-step stool is safer than a traditional aluminum step stool. This step stool features traction-molded steps to ensure you always have a secure footing. This step stool is durable steel construction and slim profile for easy storage. This step stool has a weight capacity of 225 pounds and a Type 2 ANSI duty rating. The stool's grip handle makes it easy to maintain 3 points of contact at all times when in use. The two-step stool is the perfect size if you need a little extra elevation to reach the top shelf in your kitchen, bathroom or garage. This compact step stool folds easily and hides away in small closets. At only 10.5 pounds, the lightweight design and soft comfort grip make it easy to move this step stool wherever you need it. This stool was designed with large rubber pads on the bottom of its feet, which means this stool stays firmly in place and won't scratch your hardwood floors. It can be used anywhere in the home, office, or garage for standing or sitting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding these products. I will be in touch with you as soon as possible.